Are you facing a development issue related to your web or app development? Are you paying too much for the development services you are not happy with? Is development giving you the most challenging time of them all? I'm Ajay, the founder and chief executive officer of ForceBolt. And now you must be wondering, what is ForceBolt? ForceBolt is a market-leading full-stack development company striving to fulfill your development goals. We are into web development, app development, web applications, and whatnot. And now Akshay, the co-founder and the chief technical officer, will tell you why ForceBolt and not any other development company.
The answer is quite simple. At ForceBolt, we are giving you a dedicated team of expert developers who will only work on your project at one time and with complete dedication.
When you choose us for your development project, we work on your project as it's ours and we deliver the same.
For your unique project, we follow a distinctive process in which we first listen, then analyze, and later execute. And along with your ideas, we provide you the best creative ideas for your project.
So what are you waiting for?
Request a quote now.